Lamborghini Aventador production begins inside precision-driven Italian facilities dedicated to extreme performance engineering. Aventador construction starts with aerospace-grade carbon fiber, selected for strength, rigidity, and weight reduction.
Carbon fiber cutting defines the structural accuracy of the Aventador monocoque.
Manual layup ensures fiber orientation meets extreme torsional rigidity requirements.
Resin infusion binds fibers into a rigid structural composite.
Autoclave curing transforms layered fibers into a single ultra-rigid structure.
The carbon monocoque becomes the core of Aventador performance.
Digital inspection verifies tolerances required for V12 power loads.
Real-time analysis stabilizes supercar-level production precision.
Subframes support suspension and drivetrain under extreme stress. Hybrid construction balances stiffness with controlled energy absorption. Adhesive curing secures long-term structural integrity. Controlled movement preserves geometry throughout assembly. Suspension geometry defines Aventador handling precision. Precision installation supports high-speed stability.
Braking systems are engineered for repeated extreme deceleration.
Drivetrain alignment ensures controlled power distribution. Chassis integration prepares the platform for V12 installation.
Aventador engines are built as mechanical centerpieces.
And assembly ensures balance and durability at high rotational speeds. Exact torque application protects engine longevity.
Each engine is validated for power, response, and thermal stability.
Data confirms Lamborghini performance targets are achieved.
Powertrain integration defines Aventador character. Mounting systems control vibration without isolating emotion. Transmission layout prioritizes rapid gear engagement. Alignment accuracy supports explosive acceleration. Exhaust systems deliver signature V12 acoustic character. Thermal protection preserves surrounding components. Body panels define Aventador's aggressive aerodynamics. Manual fitting ensures perfect panel gaps. Bonding maintains stiffness and surface continuity. Structural completion transitions toward visual identity. Surface preparation ensures flawless paint adhesion. Primer establishes uniform surface quality. Manual refinement elevates finish beyond automation. Color application emphasizes Italian design drama.
Clear coating protects surfaces at extreme speeds.
Controlled curing preserves gloss depth.
Exterior finish meets supercar presentation standards.
Interior assembly balances luxury and racing intent.
Interior materials emphasize grip and tactile feedback.
Manual assembly ensures driver-focused ergonomics.
Interior carbon reinforces performance identity.
Seating systems support high lateral forces. Driver interface integrates performance data seamlessly.
Electronics manage power delivery and stability.
Glass systems balance visibility and weight. Mechanical systems are activated carefully. Rolling components finalize stance.
Initial engine activation verifies integration.
Calibration defines driving behavior.
Visual inspection ensures perfection. Dynamic testing validates drivetrain integrity. Brake systems are validated for extreme use. Aero stability is verified under controlled conditions. Alignment ensures razor-sharp handling. Surface perfection completes the build.
Completed vehicles represent Italian supercar mastery.
Each Aventador carries a unique identity.
Pro Logistics safeguards supercars.
Finished Aventadors begin global delivery. Precision defines Lamborghini production philosophy. Base reflects deliberate supercar manufacturing. Continuous improvement protects Lamborghini standards.
Engineering and emotion converge.
Manufacturing and delivery operate as one system.
Internal logistics preserve calm precision. Preventive maintenance protects accuracy. Supercar manufacturing never pauses. Precision persists beyond daylight. Vehicles remain protected until release.
Documentation completes the manufacturing cycle.
Delivery follows the same discipline as assembly. Factory design supports precision at scale.
Result reflects a V12 icon.
Global logistics planning begins inside the factory.
Vehicles leave production in perfect condition.
Harmony defines Lamborghini production.
Presence and aggression define the final result.
Engineering discipline transforms carbon and steel into a V12 legend.
Inside the factory where the Lamborghini Aventador is built, as the ultimate expression of V12 supercar engineering.